Hi friends, today I make chicken biryani using instant pot. Ingredients are on in the description box already. First cut onion slices and tomato also, and two green chili cut it with two slices. Ginger and garlic I will crush as usual. Okay, first cut and clean the chicken, and the one shown below is the to marinate the chicken for half an hour with all masalas. It's in the description box. First I will make some gashes so that the masala will go inside the flesh. Add all the masalas and incorporate with the chicken. Mix very well. Add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Add 2 tablespoons of yogurt. Then garnish with some roughly chopped cilantro and mint leaves. Set aside for half an hour. Take the instant pot. First, you have to saute the onion. That take 2 tablespoons of oil and 1 tablespoon of ghee, or you can put 3 tablespoons of ghee in itself, but I don't want to, it's for health conscious. I put mix oil and ghee. When it's in the on mode, it's ready, the oil is warm. Put all the onions until it get brown. You can add then ginger, garlic, then finally tomato. Meantime, soak the rice, basmati rice, 2 cups of basmati rice in the water for 30 minutes. And once onion is done, when it gets brown, just turn off. Press cancel button. Add the marinated chicken and cover the pot. Make sure that the valve is in a sealed position. Put the timer for 6 minutes. First the pressure build up, then the float valve pop up. From that onwards the time starts, 6 minutes. It's done now, so I'll make a quick release mode. Now add the soak and drain rice. Add cashew nuts and raisins too. Usually 2 cups of rice, you need 2 cups of water. But when you are cooking chicken uses a lot of water. Already there is 1 cup of water already in there. So you need to put only 1 more cup of water. Add 1 cup of water, cover it. This time set the time for 7 minutes. Same as usual, pressure cook for 7 minutes more. It's done now. Wow, it looks nice. I took the pot outside. Let me take some to a serving dish now. It's heavenly. Smells so good. Thank you for watching and for the patience. If you like, please subscribe, share with your friends. Thank you.